Subscribe to Coins ZF right now, because today you might discover a small coin that could quietly sit in your pocket, yet hold a story far more valuable than most people ever imagine. And if you are someone who has been saving old coins for years, then this is the moment you have been waiting for, because what I am about to share could completely change the way you look at your collection forever. Now picture this: a simple 1986 Lincoln Memorial penny, a coin so common that millions of people have seen. It passed it, ignored it, or even dropped it without a second thought. Yet hidden within this ordinary piece of copper history lies a possibility that collectors around the world are constantly chasing, not because of its face value, but because of the rare conditions, the hidden variations, and the unique factors that can turn this coin into something extraordinary. Most people believe that pennies are worthless, especially older ones. They think they're just spare change, something to toss into a jar or forget in a drawer. But experienced collectors, especially men who have spent decades observing coins, know something very different. They understand that value is never just about age. It is about rarity, condition, mint errors, and historical significance. And this is exactly where the 1986 Lincoln Memorial penny begins to reveal its true potential. The story of this coin starts in a time when the United States Mint was producing billions of pennies each year. The 1980s were a period of high circulation and heavy production, which means most coins from that era are extremely common. However, within that massive production, there are always small differences, small mistakes, and small details that only a trained eye can notice. And those details are where the real money hides. When you hold a 1986 Lincoln Memorial penny, the first thing you should look at is the mint mark, because not all pennies are created equal. Coins from Philadelphia carry no mint mark, while coins from Denver have a small D in each. Mint produced coins with slightly different characteristics. Now, while both are common, there are certain batches that stand out due to striking quality and preservation, and that is where collectors start paying attention. Condition is everything. And for collectors in the age group of 55 to 65, this is something they understand deeply, because they have seen how time affects everything. A coin that has been circulated for years loses its sharpness, its shine, and its detail. But a coin that has been preserved, carefully stored, and protected can look almost as if it was minted yesterday. And such coins are called uncirculated or mint state, and their value increases dramatically. Now here is where things get truly interesting. Some 1986 Lincoln Memorial pennies have been found with striking errors. These are not just minor imperfections, these are mistakes made during the minting process, and these errors can include double dies off, center strikes, or even planchet errors where the coin itself was not properly formed. These rare mistakes are like hidden signatures that make a coin one of a kind, and collectors are willing to pay serious money for them. Imagine finding a penny that looks slightly different from the rest. Maybe the letters are doubled, maybe the image is slightly shifted, or maybe the edge looks unusual. To an untrained eye, it might seem like damage, but to a collector, it could be the difference between a 1-cent coin and a coin worth thousands. Another factor that adds to the mystery of the 1986 Lincoln Memorial penny is its composition. By this time, pennies were mostly made of zinc with a thin copper coating, which makes them more prone to wear and corrosion. However, if you come across a coin that has maintained its original luster with minimal wear, it becomes significantly more desirable because it has survived decades without losing its quality. Collectors often use magnifying glasses and specialized lighting to inspect coins because the smallest details matter. The sharpness of Lincoln's portrait, the clarity of the lettering, the condition of the memorial on the reverse side. Every detail tells a story, and every detail adds or subtracts value in. Then there is the emotional side of collecting, something that many people overlook. Coins are not just pieces of metal, they are pieces of history. They have passed through countless hands, they have witnessed moments in time, and they carry a sense of nostalgia, especially for those who grew up using them daily. For someone in their late 50s or 60s, holding a 1986 penny can bring back memories of a different era, a different pace of life, and that emotional connection often makes the coin even more valuable in the eyes of a collector. Now, let us talk about what everyone really wants to know: the value. While most 1986 Lincoln Memorial pennies are still worth just 1 cent, there are rare examples that have sold for much higher amounts, especially those in exceptional condition or with unique errors. In this is why it is so important to never dismiss a coin without checking it carefully, because you never know what you might be holding. There have been cases where collectors discovered valuable coins in the most unexpected places: old jars, inherited collections, even loose change from everyday transactions. And that is what makes coin collecting so exciting. It is like a treasure hunt that never truly ends if you're serious about checking your coin. Start by separating your pennies by year, then focus on the 1986 ones. Examine them under good lighting. Look for anything unusual. Compare them with standard images. And if something stands out, do not ignore it, because that small difference could be your gateway to a valuable find. Also, remember that grading plays a crucial role. Professional grading services evaluate coins based on their condition and assign them a grade, and a higher grade can significantly increase the value of a coin. So if you believe you have a rare or high-quality piece, it might be worth getting it professionally graded. Many collectors also recommend storing coins properly, using protective holders, avoiding direct contact with fingers, and keeping them in a dry environment, because even small amounts of moisture or oil can affect a coin's condition. Over time, the world of coin collecting is filled with stories of patience, discovery, and unexpected rewards, and the 1986 Lincoln Memorial penny is a perfect example of how something so small and ordinary can hold so much potential. It reminds us that value is not always obvious. Sometimes it is hidden, waiting for someone with the right knowledge and curiosity to uncover it. So the next time you come across an old penny, do not just toss it aside. Take a closer look, examine it carefully, because that simple habit could lead to a discovery that surprises you in ways you never expected. And now, before you leave, I want you to think about this: how many coins have passed through your hands over the years? How many did you ignore? How many could have been something special? This is your chance to start looking differently, to start paying attention, and to possibly find something truly valuable, because this is not just about coins. This is about awareness, patience, and the thrill of discovery. And once you start seeing coins this way, you will never look at them the same again. And here is the moment you have been waiting for. If you were lucky enough to find a 1986 Lincoln Memorial penny in exceptional mint state condition or with a rare mint error, its value can reach up to $4,011, making it far more than just a simple piece of change. It becomes a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered.